Hi everybody, we're gonna make something for supper and I have no idea. As I always say, you never know what's gonna be on my videos. I got a pound of hamburg meat sitting and I just grabbed this cookbook because I want to do something different. It's called The Mexican Made Easy and it's the original series, Nationals bestseller. It's something Rivera. Para Rivera, I'm not sure on that. But I saw a few, as you can see the tabs here, and I've used it before when I made the avocado and something dip, I can't remember. I'm almost thinking I'm gonna try Mexican lasagna. And it's cooking oil, lean beef, chopped onion, salsa, fresh jalapeno pepper, chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder or salt, some corn tortillas, and I do have that, and cheese. And I've got some avocado, what have I got? I've got some lime salsa that I bought that I've been dying to try. So I'm going to use that, and let's see what I'm gonna come up with. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the 1 pound of 90% hamburger meat. I had to put a little bit of oil in because it was starting to stick, but that's good hamburger meat right there. So next it says you want to add the next 2 ingredients, the heating oil in the frying pan, which we didn't need to do until it was starting to stick. Add the next 2 ingredients, the scrambled fried, which I did for 5 minutes until the beef is no longer pink. Do not want pink beef. And then it says drain, add the next 6 ingredients. So the 6 ingredients would be chopped onion. Right here, everything will be in the description box below. Here's your chopped onion, just like that. And the salsa, 1 cup of salsa coming right up. I've got a little bit of the thick and chunky, and then I've got some more. I don't think this is gonna be enough. And I was correct on that. And what we're gonna use next is, whoops, don't want that to fall, is this that I bought at Sam's. It's the it's the fresh cilantro salsa. Oh, that's gonna be yummy and it looks divine. We're gonna put a cup of that in, it says. There we go, just like that. And then we're gonna put some jalapenos in. Right here, we've got jalapenos. And that was finely chopped jalapenos, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon going right in. Just like that. And then we've got, let's see, jalapeno, then we got the chili powder. Right here. And we want 1 tablespoon of chili powder. But I don't want this going too rough on Ray, so I'm not gonna go quite. I'm just gonna go like 3/4. There's the chili powder. And then we're gonna go the cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Cumin always tastes good. Oh, 1 teaspoon of cumin. I know I took it out, it's over here. 1 teaspoon of cumin. Coming right up. 1 good helping. That's good. Cumin is good. And garlic powder, it says 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. You know, we like garlic powder. So I'm gonna give it a good helping of that. Oh, guess I've never used this. I thought I had it open, but I don't. Got a nice big container. There you go. garlic powder. Then it says you want to mix that together, and that's what we will do. We will mix this all together, just like this. And we're going to put it back on the stove for 2 minutes. And then I'll bring you back. Okay, it says spray the dish, which that's what I'm going to do. Right there. And then it says quarter your white corn tortillas. Well, I think half would have been fine, but this is what I'm using right here, corn tortillas. And what we'll do is we'll put them in the bottom, just layer it right in, just like this. And what you're going to do is layer the mixture, and then you're going to top it off with cheese, and you're going to bake it at 350 for 25 minutes. Look at that. Nice and hot. If you could smell that, oh my, it smells so good. Let me move this over here. Whoops, get my cooking scissors out of the way here. We'll just layer it right on, just like this. Just like it says, layer it right in there. It says put a cup of cheese on top, but you know what I'm going to do? You know, Maniac Grammy, Brenda, that's my name, that nobody, if nobody knows, I'm gonna put just a little bit right in here. I'm just gonna sneak a little bit right in. How yummy will that be? It says Monterey Jack, but I'm using a Fiesta blend. It's got Monterey Jack in it. I think it will give it more of a pop. Hey, but that's my opinion. Then we're just gonna layer this right in again. And if you look in the description box below, I will have how to make this. I just took it like this. And I think if you did it in half, it would be fine. But we're gonna do like it says. You know, Maniac Grammy, she's always winging it. That's the best way to do, is just wing it. Just like this. And if you're wondering why I try to have things prepared and you don't see me doing it, is it cuts down on my upload time. Now we're gonna layer this right in again, just like this. And I think I'm gonna try to get 3 layers in. Just like this, because I've got the corn tortillas to do it. So why not just do it? There. Where's the cheese here? That's all right, we like cheese. Just like this. And we're gonna wing it again to get 3 layers. This ought to taste some yummy. Gonna cut it again. Whoops. No Maniac Grammy, no rhyme to reason. It's like this. Whoops, there we go. Hey, that helped me out, didn't it? We got a few more than we need, but that's okay. We'll just use them anyways. Won't hurt anything at all. Just fill it in a little, just like that. There, yum. Now we'll use the rest of the hamburger meat up. Lay it right in. We'll pop it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. I don't know what time Mr. R is coming home, but I have a warming oven, so I'm blessed to have that. It's on my stove, which is good to have. Oh, this smells so good. Yum. And I like to wish everybody a happy Mother's Day. And I hope everybody's going to do something. And if you're not a mom, I wish you happy Uncle's Day. Sometimes mothers, fathers have to be both. And if you're a mother to your animals, that's wonderful too, because there's a lot of moms out there just like that. Now, to me, I am just going to, I got a little bit more salsa in here. I'm just gonna wing a little bit more on top here. Whoops, besides making a mess. I don't like to waste. You know, things cost so darn expensive today. It's unbelievable how much they cost. I'm just there. I used up just about what was in the jar. Take these little places off here on my cutting board. Sorry. I'm just trying to hurry. Hurry sometimes always isn't the best medicine, is it? And we're just going to top it off with cheese, and you're going to leave it uncovered. And you're going to bake it just like this. It says 1 cup. And this here is a 1 pound bag. And it was already opened, which was 4 cups. And there you have it. I'll bring you back when it comes out of the oven, and we'll see if we can get a taste test if it's not too late. Hi everybody, I've got Mr. R back, and he's going to taste the Mexican lasagna. Okay, Ray, go, hit it.
Hit it. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this is.
How's the texture?
Texture's good, I think. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, whoa, almost fell apart.
Almost fell apart. We'll get it
That's
right
good.
up on your fork.
Here we go, people. Yep.
How is it, Ray?
She told me it would taste something like a taco. It's good.
Does it taste something like a taco?
Yep.
Is it too hot for you?
No.
And Ray likes hot stuff.
No, I don't.
Oh no,
like.
I'm sorry.
No,
Excuse
I
me.
don't.
He does not.
I'm sorry,
I
people.
correct myself. I correct myself.
My-
Okay, Ray, your hand's right in the way, so I want to take a picture. Whoops.
Yeah,
Sorry.
my stomach cannot take it.
No, your stomach cannot. There it is right there. One more taste, Ray. and
Oh,
we'll wrap it
gladly.
up.
Gladly.
Would you eat this again?
Yes, I would, ma'am.
All right, good. So you're going to rate it for me?
Hello?
What's the rate? We got to wrap this up.
An 8.
An 8?
An 8.
All right, I'll take the 8, folks. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See if you can do better than an 8. Mr. R, you're not getting no watermelon tomorrow. All right, everybody, have a wonderful Mother's Day.
Yep.
If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Stay safe, healthy, and God bless. And this is Done with a Grammie's Twist. Bye now.